Good morning, guys. You are watching Carlos TV Official. Once again, my name is Carlos and I am here in Samal Island in Davao City. It's my second day here and I wanted to share with you what it's like to be in Samal Island. Carlos TV. It's a beautiful day here in Davao in Samal Island, and like what I said, I'm experiencing a great day here, and I am going through that place. I don't know what that's called. Towards the end of this pathway, it's really beautiful. Sun shines here in Davao City, samantalang sa Manila, sobrang mainit. Oh, nagulat ako doon. Akala ko mahulog ako. So, ganda-ganda dito. Oh. Titingnan nyo, ang ganda ng may CR along the way. Sa gitna ng dagat may CR and it's really beautiful. I don't know if you're seeing this well, but come with me. Look at that! It's a wonderful world. Hi guys, say good morning. It's our second day. And Jingay is still sleeping. Yes. What a beautiful place. I love the place. How could you be so heartless? Oh. How could it be so heartless? Video pala to.
Meta ka pala.
I'm ready. Hi guys, so we are going on island hopping.
Good morning.
And we're very excited.
Yeah. Nakalak na siya? Yeah, nakalak na.
Si Jingay.
Ando na yan.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go sa go.
Yes.
Nasa wharf na siya, no? Jingay.
Yes. Kasi it's na 35 na.
May tatlong bibe.
Ito na yung tatlong bibe. Parating na.
Oops.
Gumagawa pa sila ng mga ano, no?
Oo nga eh.
Galing.
Ano, accommodation. Oo.
Extra.
Diba? Pinupuno talaga nila. Sana wag lang masyadong crowded. Kasi ang ganda ng lugar eh. Yun nga yung ginagawa nila. Hindi talaga siguro talaga nila pinupuno. Diba?
Let's go sa go.
Saan daw? Dito?
Doon daw sa wharf. Okay, second day starts now and we're gonna do island hopping.
Hindi ko gusto. Sumakit yung bata ko.
Matamis! Matamis yung dagat.
Babakla, babakla!
Bitsin na lang yung kulang yun, bro.
Bitsin na lang. Baka malasing ka.
Buti na lang wala na akong bato. Ang bako ko pala. Kaya lang. Kasi biglang nagilaan niya yung hunting ko. Ba't yan? Napakami na ako sa patigra. Patigila. May yung may rip. May rip po.
Ay?
Wave.
Ah, wave.
Oo, kanina.
Hi guys, so we are here in Talikod Island. It's a beautiful place. It's snorkeling time in Talikod Island.
Pili ko, lumulutan ako!
How's the experience?
It was fun. Parang ako nakipag-wrestling. Magpanik ako.
Anyari? Anyari?
Bigyan sa kabila. Hati-hati.
Okay na kayo, ma'am? Punta na tayo? Yes!
Video to. Ganda ng pula.
Welcome to Talikod Island!
Ano yan?
Ay, bulata ka! Oh, kainis naman to eh! Natata ka ng sightseeing ko sa dagat, oh!
May nagulat. We're moving. Wala lang. Wow, model na model.
Naka-focus.
Hi.
Hi!
Hi.
Ano ka na?
yung post na ano?
Ayoko! Nakagala, pati ko.
Yung gumagana.
Para ka naman ano nun? Wait, ko.
It's our second day here in Samal Island, particularly sa Hofgorai Beach Resort. It's a wonderful place, I'm telling you. Kagagaling lang namin sa island hopping, and we went to Coral Garden and yung Angel's Cove. It's a wonderful place, and I hope you guys can also visit them. I like Angel Cove so much because of the so many coral reefs, and ang dami-daming mga isda that you can feed while you are swimming. So every fish na siguro na makikita or makakakita sa'yo na may dala kang food, they'll come to you and eat the food that you're holding. So I hope you guys can also visit the place. It's a wonderful place. I'm recommending it to you. So if, for example, you're thinking of going on a vacation and you don't know yet which place to go try Davao sa Samal Island, and they'll take you places. It's a wonderful experience, and I hope that someday so soon you can also visit them. Okay, thanks for watching. Again, this is our second day experience, and I'll post the third day experience. Probably will be staying here lang sa resort and spend some time with friends. Okay, and another video will be posted on YouTube as well. Please watch out for that. It will be focusing on how the resort is looking like, so watch out for that.
Akin yung ulo guys yung taklob.
Akin din
Lipat
yung
mo.
isang taklob.
Ako yung isang taklob din.
O sige,
I
akin
know
na
which
yun.
one, taklob. Ito ba yun?
Oo.
Ay, hindi, ito yung gusto ko. Kukuha yung aso. Why?
Kik! Huwag ganun sa kik.
Asan na yung juice mo? Ayan. Asan na yung juice mo? Ayaw. Kuya Russell, ayaw.
Sorry na kuya, ito naman o, galing kami. Bati na tayo. Kuya, pa yung water ha.
Kuya, dyan lang yan. Okay na kami dyan.
Oo, dyan na lang yun.
Dyan lang yan. Kami na bahala dyan.
Paano kami water?